What's up, guys? Quick tip here for you. You ever wondered how to make bean sprouts? Let me show you. So bean sprouts are pretty simple. We're gonna cook these kind of the Korean barbecue way that we eat them in the restaurant. Just gotta get some water boiling, rinse out the bean sprouts, and dump them in. So we're gonna let those cook for about 2-3 minutes just to soften up, then we're gonna strain them. While we wait on the bean sprouts, we're going to dice up some kimchi for them. Now that the bean sprouts are cooked down, we're going to add our kimchi and some sesame seed oil. So we're gonna cook this on low about a minute, maybe 2 minutes max. You don't want to get them too soggy, but you want to get them nice and coated with the oil and the kimchi. And that's it. Less than 5 minutes, you're good to go.